Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan an riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka health committee jong ka Balang Presbyterian Nongthymmai Shillong ringkat ka jing trilang bat ka sengken thai lom basuk e unite bat ka dor basnong laujin rio haka khatnyau trek juli arja phulai kila pelong da ka jing lang ban pulsuthu pat ba halor ka jing sneu jong Droks ubakta om tang ka kot ka khya jong kitu kibala em kerni Henry wakta ru wat ek em lang salang na ka jingkin rei palat kikam rona ruser ki baharukom bat ubalong ru ujingdi penbuat ubatakhat wat ek jing embryo na lor ka jing puthu halor ka jing sneu jong neu jingdi penbuat bosneu hakini ka jingalang na pensuthu ru halor ka an ka perking bandi bat ka jing sha penstom ha ka an da ka baset bindi yaki badan kti ban khai u Droks hakini ka jingalang ki rew shampang ki bal ajing kran ki kinthop ya ka Keshav Lamsai na ka Kripa Foundation o Additional Superintendent of Police Law and Order ka East Castles District uba SS Dakar ka Dr. Valencia Mirbo o Pastor uba Khmi ya ka Balang Presbyterian Nongthymmai Reverend NB Dengdo u Rangba Shnong jong ka Laujin Rio uba SB Kharshandi bat kiwe.
Everybody want to be happy. We know it. But how many people are happy? We have to tell our children, young generation, if there are any youths, I would like to tell you all, कुछ भी करने का पहले में we just, like today you don't want to go for class. Then you tell yourself something, no, it's raining, that's why I don't want to go. That is an answer. Sometimes you want to have a puff of cigarette, you take the cigarette in your hand and then you tell yourself, it is not only me, my friends also are smoking. It is just for today. That is all answers. All the time we are giving answers, including ourselves, even we people, grown-up people also. All the time we are giving answers to something or other, making an excuse. That is just the answer. What about the question? There is always a question coming from within. Hey, Mr. X, what are you doing? This is not your way. Try to listen to that question. We have to teach our children that point. Let them learn this technique of asking them what is the question all about. Some question is coming from inside. That is why I am justifying. Why this question is coming? Because my inner child, my true self is very honest. It knows what is good, what is bad, what is right, what is wrong. What is rational, what is irrational. This is a challenge every human being is facing entire globe. And some places, some communities or some countries are able to fight with it more accurately, and whereas some places we are not able to. So खाली सवाल इतना ही होता है कि हम अपने सोचने का शक्ति को इस्तेमाल करें और आगे बढ़े. और अभी मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा आपको, मैं जानता हूँ आज का मौसम ठंडा है, लेकिन मैं एक चीज़ तो मैं आपको बताऊँगा कि आप लोग का अंदर में अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा ना, तो पूछने के लिए पीछे मत हटिए.
बोलूंगा तो सिर के ऊपर से जाएगा, है ना? क्योंकि आज का उद्देश्य यही है कि लोग समझे, आपको अवगत कराएं कि इसका ये जो नशा है, ये ड्रग्स है, इसका कितना बुरा हाल हो सकता है. First and foremost, I would like to convey my thanks to the Health Committee of Nongthymmai Presbyterian Church and Samla for coming back. The drugs is bad. आप समझ सकते हो, एक इंसान can go to any extent if he becomes an addict, and it becomes very difficult. Aryan is very lucky. Aryan is very lucky to come back from that stage. Trust me, people don't come back. We have seen videos of service. I have seen they become habitual. वो आदी बन जाते हैं, फिर उनका घर गृहस्थी सब खत्म हो जाता है। अच्छे लोग क्या करेंगे, पैसा कहाँ से लाएंगे? वो काम नहीं करेगा तो क्या काम, कैसे पैसा लाएगा? कोई ऐसी पैसे थोड़ी दे, वो चोरी करेगा। He'll be into all anti-social activity. He'll become a peddler himself. Our parents, our family, अगर फैमिली में ये चीज हो, अफसोस होता है। Right. Now, telling about the NDPS Act. थोड़ा आपको जानकारी होना चाहिए। एक तुलना करते हैं, तुलना as in comparison. You see, drugs is something, drugs ऐसा एक पदार्थ है that does not affect a person, it affects the society. It affects the society because it damages the human resource. Developed countries like Singapore, UAE, possession of drugs itself attracts the highest penalty, death penalty. Why? Because they understand that drugs is so, the menace of drugs is so, मतलब इतना खतरनाक है कि पूरा एक आदमी इंसान को खराब नहीं करता, पूरा घर गृहस्थी को खराब करता, पूरा सोसाइटी को खराब करता। It affects the whole society. As a law enforcement officer, my duty, our duty is to detect, to prevent, to detect. Right? So this is the first phase. We aware, we make you aware. आपको अवगत कर रहे हैं, आपको आगाह कर रहे हैं इस खतरे से। When we joined service, we fought militancy. Militancy अपना अलग जगह है, अपना शहर। We are doing only in the jungles. उसमें पब्लिक को इतना नहीं हो रहा। हाँ, कभी बंद हो गया, कभी स्कूल में ये हो गया, ठीक है। There are spurious incidents. एक दो इंसिडेंट हो जाए। And drugs is something that affects society. Only last year, around 80 crores of drugs were seized by Meghalaya police alone. This was only for Meghalaya. Shillong, majority in Shillong, area, ये Nongthymmai transit movement, and was only dedicated to Shillong. कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is it going? It is going to our houses. Study has said, study बोलता है कि 0.5 grams one dose होता है, right Aryan? 0.5 gram, 3 dose 1.5 gram, 1.5 gram, हिंदी में 1.5 बोलता है ना, 1.5, 1.5 gram is enough to make a person addict. समझो आप। और इनका एमओ क्या है, जो ड्रग पेडलर्स है, इनको पैसा बनाना है, राइट? ड्रग्स में फायदा भी बहुत है, तो पैसा बना रहा है, कैसे करेगी? व्हाट हैपेंस इज, पहला डोज फ्री में देगा, दूसरा डोज फ्री में देगा, थर्ड डोज भी फ्री में देगा। वंस यू आर एडिक्ट, आप जाल में फंस चुके हैं। उसके बाद क्या होता है, यू गो टू एनी एक्सटेंट, बिकॉज अगर आपको ड्रग्स नहीं मिलता, आप अगर एडिक्ट बन गए, there is a thing in their terminology they call सफर करना। वो सफर करना शुरू है, सफर एज इन रियल सफर, वो अर्ज आ जाता है कि कब मेरे को डोज मिले, कब मेरे को डोज मिले। तो जो एडिक्ट बन चुका है वो क्या करता है, व्हाट डज ही डू? He'll go to any extent, कुछ भी, कोई भी हद तक जाएगा। वो घर में चोरी भी करेगा।